Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. In case you didn't know, a shrimp has the ability to sneeze. A police officer told their dog to attack the suspect, but the dog was a little confused because they couldn't find anyone threatening.
Put your hands up back of your head now! Right now! Fora! Fora! Hey, Rocco, here! Here! Hit! Rocco! No! Rocco! Here!
This is what happens when the biggest plane in the world flies through clouds.
No, jak pięknie wyciął mgłę.
Let it go!
Why you come and eat my food?
These police officers got themselves some really cool new scooters.
Oh, he on the grass with it? Oh, all terrain. You ain't gonna stop them.
Oh, sir!
Yo!
Hello! She wants to come in, Tessa.
A few years ago, an astronaut snuck a gorilla suit onto the International Space Station.
Tu.
Is it, do you give it over? Keep it?
Come here, sweetie.
Here's a video I found of giant tortoises moving at full speed. The video is ending now. Goodbye.